Hello, let's sew a little Peep Bunny together for Easter. 5 inches long, you can use your own template or get mine from Etsy. We'll need felt, matching thread, a chopstick, scissors, and the templates. I'll be using a machine, but you can sew by hand using a backstitch. To begin, place 2 pieces of felt on top of each other with the template for the bunny on the top layer. Ensure you are working on the wrong side of the fabric. Pin the layers together securely. Next, trace the outline of the bunny onto the top piece of felt using a pen or pencil. Remove the paper template and repin the layers to prevent shifting. Now stitch around the outline of the bunny, leaving the bottom open for stuffing. I use a sewing machine for this step. Using a straight stitch and a small stitch length to secure the edges. Be sure to stitch carefully and precisely along the trace line, ensuring that the filling will not come out. Use your hands to guide the stitching along the line, ensuring you stay on track. Stitch slowly and steadily, checking regularly to stay accurate. When transitioning from the body to the head, lift the sewing machine foot, reposition the fabric, and then continue sewing. If you encounter any bumps or obstacles, remove them to ensure smooth sewing. Once you've sewn all the way around, cut off the excess fabric, leaving a small seam allowance. To turn the bunny inside out, start by pushing the entire bunny through the bottom hole. Then, use your fingers to shape the body and carefully use a chopstick to fully turn the bunny's ears inside out. Use your finger to run along the stitches and gently push them to straighten them out. This will give your bunny a more accurate and symmetrical look. Now, let's draw the face. I use liquid ink, but you can use acrylic paint and a chopstick. Be sure to protect your work surface with something, and have a box with a glossy cover ready to protect the back of the bunny from any paint that might seep through. We need 2 pieces of cardboard. Let's first test on a scrap piece of the same fabric and this cardboard. If the test is successful, we can proceed with our bunny. Insert the second piece of cardboard inside the bunny, then create the eyes and mouth. Afterward, allow it to dry fully. Ensure the cardboard is under the spot you are now drawing. The hole in the bottom of the bunny is narrower than the bunny's face, so as you draw one eye, reposition the cardboard under the second eye. You can also use these types of eyes if you prefer. After the bunny's face has dried, remove the cardboard and begin stuffing. I used pillow stuffing from Walmart, taking small pieces and slowly filling the bunny from the ears. You can use a chopstick to help with this process. Stuff the bunny evenly by adding small amounts at a time. You'll achieve a smooth finish. Now let's close up the bottom hole. You can use a zigzag stitch on the sewing machine or an invisible stitch if sewing by hand. I use a sewing machine with a simple zigzag stitch. Usually, it's button 3. I use a short stitch length for a smooth finish. First, try your stitch on a scrap piece to ensure it looks great. It's a good idea to pin the bottom before stitching so that you sew on both sides. Alternatively, you can glue it if you prefer. Drawing a line before stitching can help ensure symmetry and neatness. Your bunny is nearly complete. Let's trim off any excess threads and fabric to give it a neat finish. Here's how it looks now. I hope you've enjoyed following along with this tutorial. On my Etsy shop, you'll find this tutorial in written form, where I have 6 sizes of Peep Bunnies and other similar designs. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you a wonderful Easter. I'm excited to announce that I'll soon be offering personalized embroidery on the bellies of these bunnies. Stay tuned for a video demonstration on how to smoothly embroider names using a regular sewing machine. Thank you and bye-bye.